Welcome to the discussion on market segmentation. My name is Dr. Devuli PM, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith we are going to discuss market segmentation. In previous lecture discussion, we may highlight concept of market segmentation, but right now we are going to focus on two concepts: target marketing and market positioning. First of all, we want to discuss target marketing. What is meant by target market? As a marketer, we want to tap the market, map the market and grab the market. We should know who is our customer, and we want to identify our customer. We want to find our customer, and we may understand expectation, need and demand of our target customer, and according to that we may develop our product, and our product we may deliver to a right customer and right time. For this purpose, we want to understand concept of target marketing. Target marketing means a specific group of consumer at which company aims its product and services. The better a company is to identify their potential customer, the more successful they will be delivering product and services that are in demand. It means your target consumer are those who are mostly likely buy from you. Then what is target market? It's focusing on target market makes it easier to develop product which people want. Target consumer in rainy season, there may be we want to need of umbrella. As a we may need cell phone. As per profession, we have different need, and as a marketer, as an entrepreneur, we want to identify our target consumer. And as per age wise, for example, small baby or kid, they have different need. Teenage children they have different need. Younger age people, they have different need. Middle age group people, they have different need, and senior citizen, they have different need. And as a marketer, we want to identify that our target customer, and we may design our product and deliver to right customer at right time. What is the level of education? And there may be as per base of segmentation. There may be geographical segmentation, psychographic segmentation, social segmentation, then cultural segmentation, and all these base of segmentation we may consider for the find out our target customer. Then next concept is there. What is mean by focus group? A small group selected from the wider population and sample as by open discussion for its member opinion about or emotional response to particular subject or area, used especially in market research or political analysis. This helps to identify target customer. Next concept is the market positioning. Positioning is the art of designing company, offering an image to occupy or distinct place in target market mind. The position of brand is perception it brings about the mind of the target customer. Principle of positioning: it is better to be first than to be late. In case it is not the first, then the company should be able to create a new category by making at least small change in the marketing mix element. It is important to understand the positioning and strategy of the competitor. Then, what are the advantages of market positioning? It is helps to focus on product on the specific target customer. It's offer the product new appeal in the market. It's distinguish place could be occupied in the target market, successful creation of the market. These are advantages of target market positioning. There are some disadvantages. It is not possible to offer product wholly for the specific type of customer. The wrong positioning affect on a number of products. These are some limitation of market positioning. Then there are some advantages of target marketing and market positioning. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may highlight two concepts: target marketing and market positioning. This helps to tap the market, map the market, and grab the market. Market positioning means we may create image in market, build up image in market, and we may provide proper goods and services to our target customer, and we may satisfy our customer. These are basic concept of market segmentation. You may refer SIM for the detailed understanding of this concept, and if you have any doubt, query, please contact me. My name is Dr. Dewey Pian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 904908196. Email ID paresh84jan@reditmail.com.